In this county of Migori, it is Rongo constituency where we have the highest per capita income. And I think it's because of the great stewardship and the great leadership of Dalmas Otieno. The level of education of the people of Rongo is slightly higher than the rest of the other constituencies, and we are working very hard to try and catch up there. Dalmas Otieno, I met him first when he was a cabinet secretary. That time I was in the corporate world when they were developing a communication solution for the public service. And during those days, he struck me as a man full of wisdom. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Nejo wa Majorongo, jo Migori, wawito huoi mawacho totimo. Gige nene norea yanga. History mar Dalmas kiwacho to nyakiwach kimaendeleo. Wan mapod wadong gi thuolo matis, mapod watiyo godo ka, wanyalo mana kopo gigo ma Dalmas nitie. Kendo Dalmas onyiso example maber ni kare ko yieri to nyaka itim gimoro miwene jopiny. Eka chieng' moro kidhi tinyalo pari kaka iparo Dalmas. E gimomiyo wawacho kama, ni ng'ato ka ng'ato mane ofis nyaka inyagri gi tich kama iyudeno, nikech ng'ama ok otiyo to dhi kanye, dhi koso ok dhi. Erokamano. Tuko na mtu mmoja hapa. Tuko na mtu mmoja ningali yangu wanigikwayo ni Bishop Baba Askofu ametuomba tuwe na utulivu kidogo. Asanteni sana. Baba Askofu ametuomba kwa sababu ako na shughuli kwingine, shughuli muhimu kama ile tuko nayo leo. Ametuomba tumpatie nafasi abariki mwili ya mwenda zake, alafu tuendelee na program sawa sawa.